Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 5.4 and today I'll show you how we can turn off Google Assistant on the smartphone. So at the first you have to go for the Play Store and download update of the Google app. It's very important to have the latest version of the firmware. Okay, and right now we have to open this app. Tap on the more, move to the settings, then go for the Google Assistant, and then we have to scroll down until we find the general settings. And when you are here, we have to tap on the switcher, then click to turn off, and as you can see, that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.